So if you've got a photo that is underexposed and you want to turn your photo from this to this, let me show you how to do that. So go ahead and open your Photoshop. So let me go ahead and create a new project. I'll just leave it 1080 by 1080. So go ahead and import the photo. I already downloaded a photo from Pinterest. Okay, let me just make it large. So here is the photo. First thing I'll do is to duplicate it to Ctrl J, just to make sure, should in case I make any mistake, I still have the original copy. So I go to my duplicate copy, and the first thing I do is to convert it to smart object. So once I'm done doing that, you now go up here to filters and select camera raw filter. Alright, now it has opened. The first place I'll go to is to basics, to the basic, and I would want to make a little twitch here on this section. So I'll add the exposure a little bit, just a bit. That's okay. The contrast up as well, the highlight, yep. Then the shadows, I'll drop that, the white and the white up a bit, the black down a bit. Okay, I think this is pretty good. I'll add the exposure up a bit. So all this depends on the image you're working on, okay, and the exact goal and the exact thing you want to achieve. So I think this is pretty good for me here. The highlights are okay. Drop the shadow more. Alright, this side is okay. Now again, if I'm to zoom this image, you would notice it's a little bit noisy, so I will now go ahead and denoise it. Let me close this basic and go to detail, the noise reduction, take it up a bit. Okay, I think around 50% is okay, around 50 is okay. Then the color noise too, I'll take it up to, I think here is okay. Let me just add the sharpening a little bit. So zoom it back out. Alright, I will go ahead and hit OK. So let's see. If I close this, you see this is the original picture and this is the final picture. You now go ahead and save the image for use. If you got value from this video, make sure to follow me for more videos like this. My name is Stanley Chima and I'm with Elamedia.